To trade Forex in Egypt, you must set up an account with a broker. This is where you place your trades as an investor. If you are having trouble finding the best Forex brokers in Egypt, this video will help you out. There are many different factors to consider when choosing a broker, and you will get to know all of them in this video. In addition to that, the Egypt Forex brokers list will also be provided to ease your broker choosing criteria. Best Forex brokers in Egypt list. There are many Forex brokers available in Egypt, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, FX Choice, IC Markets, XM, FBS Markets, HF Markets, AXI, Pepperstone, Anoanda, These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Egypt, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Forex trading in Egypt has no legal binding. Hence, it is completely legal for retail and institutional Forex traders. However, you have to trade using the regulated Forex brokers in Egypt to get the most out of it legally. While Forex trading in Egypt has substantial growth potential, and currency fluctuations can have significant repercussions for markets around the globe, it also comes with certain risks and potential consequences. Therefore, you have to be alert while trading in Egypt. Forex is a complex financial market that many people are hesitant to jump into. However, the Forex market can be lucrative for those who know how to trade it. To help traders take on this daunting and risky endeavor, we have compiled a list of things to consider when choosing the best Forex brokers around. The first thing you will want to check is whether or not a broker offers promotions for new traders. For example, some brokers will offer a no transaction fee for a full year. In this situation, you will find that your trading activity will be tracked so that you can receive bonuses at the end of the year. Some brokers offer free training to help new traders get started. Others offer trading mentorship and a virtual office where you can work with your broker 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to give better support when you need it. You will need to read and analyze the fine print when you choose a broker. Look for brokers that offer telephone support, and also make sure they have a comprehensive FAQ page that addresses any questions you may have. One of the top deciding factors in choosing the best Forex brokers in Egypt is regulation. Ideally, you will want to choose a broker that's regulated by multiple agencies so that if one agency fails, others will be there to pick up the slack. In addition, you will want to look for a broker that has wide acceptance in the industry, as you do not want to trade with a broker that's too new. The fees that you will pay can vary drastically depending on what types of accounts your broker offers. Some brokers will charge you an annual fee, while others may charge flat rate fees per trade. When choosing the best Egypt Forex brokers, look at what fees are required to open up trading accounts and how much they are. If a broker doesn't offer bundle accounts that save you money, it may be better to choose another broker. Forex brokers are often calculated by the number of currency pairs they offer to trade with. Look at a Forex broker's website and count the number of currency pairs available to trade with before you choose a broker. A good rule of thumb is that a broker should have over 10 currency pairs available. This is probably the most overlooked aspect of choosing a broker. When choosing a Forex broker, you'll likely be inundated with emails and phone calls for support. You should look for a broker that has 24/7 customer support so that you can always get answers to your questions or help with any problems that arise. Egyptian banks allow you to withdraw the money you have earned from Forex trading in Egypt. However, it is better to seek professional assistance before you make any withdrawal. But we can say with certainty that withdrawing your earnings is a viable option. One thing is for certain when it comes to Forex trading in Egypt: the broker you choose to run your currency exchange will have a huge effect on what's happening there. In the case of choosing from the Forex brokers list in Egypt, it can be difficult at times as there are hundreds of them. Regardless, Egyptians should still try their luck in this adventurous career field. However, choosing the best Forex brokers in Egypt will help you ease your trading career.